Lenovo V15 G4 IRU. IT Gallery Lenovo Experience Store. Lenovo V15 G4 IRU empower your workforce with this ultra-powerful device, designed to drive collaboration and deliver performance from anywhere. Weighing at just 1.67 kilograms, 3.68 pounds, the Lenovo V15 G4 IRU is fitted with 13th Gen Intel U-Series Core i5 processors and up to 1 TB storage to sail you through the busiest days at work. Power adapter 65W round tip, 3-pin, AC adapter, 100 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 Hz. Lenovo devices that are a class apart. The Lenovo V series provides security, data protection and productivity features in an affordable package. Processor: Core i5-1335U10, 2P core plus 8E core. Chipset: Intel SoC, System-on-Chip, platform. Graphics: Intel Iris Xe Graphics Integrated Shared. Memory 8GB DDR4-3200. Storage 512GB NVMe SSD. Models with 38 Wh battery, up to 2 drives, 1 by 2.5 inches HDD plus 1 XM.2 SSD. 2.5 inches HDD up to 1 TB M2, 2242 SSD up to 1 TB. Display 15.6 inches FHD, 1920 by 1080. None Tennessee 250 nits anti-glare 16:9. Monitor supports up to 3 independent displays, native display and 2 external monitors via HDMI and USB-C. Camera HD 720p, with privacy shutter, fixed focus. Power connector: USB 3.2 Gen 1. HDMI. USB circa 3.2 Gen 1. Headphone, microphone combo jack, 3.5mm. Ethernet, RJ45. USB 2.0. Kensington Nano security slot. Keyboard 6-row, spill-resistant, multimedia FN keys, SMB service hotkey, numeric keypad. Keyboard backlight non-backlight. Multimedia audio chip high definition, HD, audio, Realtek ALC 3287 codec. Speakers, stereo speakers. Dual microphone array. Touchpad buttonless Mylar Surface multi-touch touchpad, supports precision touchpad, PTP. 62 by 104mm, 2.44 x 4.09 inches.